welcomes to My Dreamz Academy. I am the faculty of My Dreamz Academy. Today we will discuss some few questions of JEE Mains 2021 questions. So this is one question from first year functions, relations, sets and relations and functions. So here f maps R2R is defined as f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So the first function is defined as like this, f of x equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. Then composition of function f of g of x is, now here we want to check. So the composite function is 1 1 or onto or neither 1 1 or not onto, 1 1 but not onto but not 1 1. Okay, so I want to explain simply briefly about the 1 1 and onto. So simple definitions. Suppose the two functions are given here. Suppose a and b. Suppose x1 x2. This is the function f of x1 f of x2. Suppose if this is 1 1, different elements will have the different images. So condition for 1 1 is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies x1 equal to x2. This is the condition for 1 1. And condition for onto is f of x is equal to y. Then there exists x belongs to a such that y belongs to b. So by using this value, by using this function, find x value in terms of y and substitute all y values in that equation. So just check whether the x also belongs to first function or not. Okay, these are the two conditions for 1 1 and onto. The given function is both 1 1 and onto, that is a bijection. Okay, that is a bijection. So if the first function is f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. So the composite function means f of g of x, that is nothing but f circle g of x, that equal to f of g of x. Okay, f of g of x. F of g of x is, already we know that g of x is x minus 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. So now we want to find this one, f of x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1 by using this function. So substitute in place of x this value, 2 into x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. 2 into x minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1, that is equal to, now here multiplied with the 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, 2x minus 1 by x minus 1. Now take the LCM here. So x minus 1, 2x minus 1 minus x plus 1. Okay, so that is equal to x by x minus 1. This is a composite function. Now we want to check this is either this is a 1 1 or not, or bijection. So for 1 1 function, same simple condition, f of x1 equal to f of x2. Then x1 equal to x2, then that function is 1 1. Okay, then that function is 1 1. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. So assume that this composite function is as h of x. So h of x1 is equal to h of x2. Now we want to prove that x1 equal to x2. So x1 means what? X1 by x1 minus 1 equal to x2 by x2 minus 1. Cross multiply x1 x2 minus x1 equal to x1 x2 minus x2. These two are gets cancelled. Minus also gets cancelled. x1 equal to x2. Therefore the given function is 1 1. So given function is 1 1. Now we want to check onto, either that is a onto or not. So second one, suppose h of x is equal to x by x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1. When we substitute x is equal to 1, the function is undefined, infinity. So there is no image for 1 in the second set. So actually the definition of onto is what? Definition of onto is each and every element have the second set have pre-image. Okay, pre-image in the first set. But the function is like this, x by x minus 1. So this is undefined for x equal to 1. Therefore, so 1, the element 1. Okay, element 1, there is no pre-image for element 1. Therefore, this is not onto, but this is 1 1. This is not onto. So therefore, which option is true? Tell me here. 1, 1, but not onto. Fourth option is true. Our required answer is fourth option. So fifth question from planes. The equation of plane passing through the 1, 2, minus 3 and perpendicular to the planes 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to 5 and 2x minus 5y minus z is equal to 7 is. Okay? Means our required equation of plane is passing through the 1, 2, minus 3. Okay? Our required equation of plane. This is our required equation of plane here. Passing through the one point 1, 2, minus 3 and perpendicular to two planes. Okay, perpendicular to two planes means the diagram is like this here. So perpendicular to two planes. Like this. So the two planes are perpendicular and this is perpendicular to these two planes. Okay, now find the equation of planes. Here simple, already we know that about the planes here. If this is plane ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. So this is a, b, c direction ratios of normal line. Here by using one formula, so this is equation of plane. We want to find the equation of plane passing through the one point a bar comma a. Okay, a of a bar, so whose position vector is a bar, and parallel to b bar and c bar is actual formula is r bar, a bar, b bar is equal to box of ABC. Or use direct formula. Our required equation of plane is passing through the x1, y1, z1 parallel to b bar and c bar. So our required equation of plane is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 equal to 0. Or parallel to b bar and c bar means b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. That's it. So just substitute. Okay? Our required equation of plane is passing through the one point x1, y1, z1 parallel to b bar and c bar. This is our required equation. Okay? Here also this is our required equation of plane. We want to find the equation of plane. So this plane is perpendicular to this. Perpendicular means this is the direction. This is the direction ratios of first plane. This is the direction ratios of second plane. So here our required plane is okay, parallel to these two. That's why just substitute this formula. Okay, x1, y1, z1 in place of x1, y1, z1. Take the required point and perpendicular planes please, whose direction ratios are 3, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 5, minus 1. Substitute in this place, we will get the answer. That's it. X minus x1 passing through this point. X minus x1, y minus y1, y minus y1, z minus z1 is equal to 0. This is our required equation. That's it. b1, b2, b3 whose direction ratios are first plane 3, 1, minus 2. So direction ratios of second plane 2, minus 5, minus 1. 2, minus 5, minus 1. Why I am taking b1 as these two vectors b1 and c1? Because so direction ratios are parallel. To required plane. Okay. So equation of plane passing through x1, y1, z1 and parallel to b bar and c bar. This is our required equation. So that's why just substitute and find the determinant by using the matrix and we will get the answer. So now here x minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, minus 1, minus 10, minus 1, okay, minus 10, minus of y minus 2 into, minus 3 plus 4, z plus 3 into, minus 15, okay, minus 15, minus 2, like this, okay. Now here minus 11x plus 11 Here minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Okay, so 1. So then this will becomes minus y plus 2, minus 5 plus 2, minus 15 minus 2. That is okay. That is minus 17. Okay, minus 17z, minus 17z, minus 51 is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. Now minus 11x minus y minus 17z, minus 11x minus y minus 17z. So here 11 plus 2. Okay, 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 minus 51. 13 minus 51 is minus 38 is equal to 0. Okay. Now take minus common here. Minus common. Our required answer is 11x plus y 17z plus 38 equal to 0. This is our required answer. So our third option is true. So sixth question from applications of trigonometry. So this is heights and distances from this question. Two vertical poles are 150 meters apart and the height of the one of them is 3 times that of another. Okay, the distance between the two poles are given. Distance between the two poles are 150 meters. Okay, and one of the pole is 3 times to another. 3 times to another. If from the middle point of the line joining their feet, an observer find the angles of elevations of their tops, to be complementary. Then height of the shorter pole is So this is a very simple question here. Two vertical poles here. Suppose first pole is AB. This is one vertical pole. Second vertical pole AB, some CD. Two vertical poles are apart from 150 meters. These are 150 meters distance apart from. Okay, the distance between the two poles is given. Okay, 150 meters, and so what is given here? One of them is 3 times to another. One of them. If the height of first pole is assume h, so height of the second pole is 3h. One of them is thrice. Okay, 3 times to another. 3 times to another. Another one is, if from the middle point of the line joining their feet, means here. Suppose A, B, C, D, E. Okay, middle point of the line joining their feet. Okay, an observer, one person is observing. Okay, observing this is the top of the two poles. So now the middle point of the line joining their feet, an observer finds the angles of elevations of the tops to be complementary. Then find the so then height of the pole here. So suppose assume that if this is theta, so one person is observing from the point D. So from A is observing D. Okay, observing D. So that angle is theta. So I already given that angles are complementary. Means sum of the two angles is equal to 90. One is theta, another one is 90 minus theta. So now find the complement, then height of the shorter pole. Now we want to find the h value. That's it. So here from first triangle. So here already given that 150 meter apart from each other. So this is 75. This is 75 because he is the midpoint. Of the between these two poles there. So from this triangle, tan theta is equal to. Opposite by adjacent. So that is equation number 1. Now we want to find the h value. That's it. So from this triangle ABE, tan 90 minus theta is equal to same opposite by adjacent 3h by 75. Equation number 2. Okay, so actually tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta is equal to 3h by 75. Now from these two we can find directly h value. So just multiply these two. Here tan theta into cot theta is 1 is equal to 3h square. Okay, 3h square by 75 into 75. Okay, or 3h square is equal to 3h square equal to 75 into 75. H square is equal to 75 into 75 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 5s are. So h square is equal to 25 into 75. Or h is equal to under root of 25 into 75. That is equal to, okay, 25 into 75 is nothing but what will remain? 75 is nothing but 25 into 3. Now just take the pairwise outside, we will get h is equal to 25 root 3. H is equal to 25 root 3. Fourth option is true. This is our answer.